Guys, check nyo tong bagong Alphard. In-improve na nila yung daytime running light. Yung grills napakaganda at syempre, hybrid na rin to. At single variant na lang siya dito sa atin ngayon, which is itong HEV. Hindi ko alam kung good or bad yun. Basta ang alam ko matipid siya sa gasolina. So this is the 2025 Toyota Alphard Hybrid. Exterior-wise, platinum pearl white paint, Alphard logo, chrome garnish, auto-retractable side mirrors, at new 19 inches alloy wheels, naka-Michelin tires. At pagdating naman sa engine, is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder CVT hybrid engine, powered by electric and traditional engine. Pag pinagsama mo, fuel efficiency ang kalalabasan. At napakatipid neto sa gasolina, around 18 to 20 km per liter sa mixed driving conditions. At ang kagandahan dito, meron kang 5 years warranty or 200,000 kilometers na warranty sa buong kotse. At pagdating naman sa hybrid battery, meron kang 8 years or 200,000 kilometers na warranty. Kaya hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At sa pinakalikod, full LED taillight, bagong Alphard garnish, rear camera, rear sensor at powered tailgate. Oops, meron siyang secret button dito. At napakaluwag ng trunk space, syempre foldable yung third row seat at pwede mong gawin to. At meron siyang control ng second row seat dito. At pagdating naman sa second row seat, sobrang comfortable ng space at power adjust yung second row seat. May tie extension, may built-in cup holder, at meron kang phone-like controller dito na pwede mong kontrolin lahat dito sa loob ng kotse gamit ito. Angas, di ba? At syempre, heated and ventilated leather seat, at ang best part, may massage na rin yan. At sa third row, napakaluwag pa rin ang space at meron siyang armrest, meron siyang 1, 2 shade holders, 2 cup holders at outlet source on both sides. At sa harap, heated and ventilated na leather seat, may cup holder dito, well-designed na dashboard, napakalaking infotainment system na super responsive, wireless charging pad, cute na shift knob, at center console na nabubuksan dito at sa kanya. At heated na steering wheel, may paddle shifter, may mga controls dito at may dynamic cruise control. Fully digital display at ang favorite part ko, naka JBL sound system to. Retail price, 4,671,000 pesos. Tingin mo worth it? Inquire ka na. Thank you guys. Peace out.